In today's video I want to show you guys how you can get more FPS in Grounded 2 and how you can FPS boost the game. Okay, for the first time we go into the search bar. Here we look for edit power plan, so or choose a power plan. So click on choose a power plan, and here we can choose our power plan, and here I recommend a balanced or the high performance mode, so then the performance of your PC has has the most priority. So this is the first step we can do. After that, go back, and here we can go into the search bar again, click on or type in settings, click on gaming, and here we have the game. And if you don't use it, if you don't need it, turn it off. After that, go back again, go in captchas, and here we have a pre-installed program from Windows to screen record. And if you don't screen record, or you screen record with other program like OBS or something, you can easily turn this off. After that, go back again, and here we have the game mode, and this is the most important setting. Make sure that you have turned the game mode on, because this optimizes your PC for gaming. Okay, after that, go back, go into the search bar, and here we look for the task manager. So click on this, then click on the details, and here we look for the game. So for this step, it is really important that you have started Grounded 2 before, and you have to do it new by every restart. So I don't start it right now, because then my recording will lag. So what we do, look for Grounded, that should be by G. So, and if you find something, you can right click on it. I do this now with LG Hub, for example, but you do this with Grounded 2. So right click on it, and then set priority, real time, and then change priority. And we do this with all processes from Grounded, and you can also do this with all processes from the launcher you have started Grounded 2 with, like Steam or something else. Yeah, and after that, your FPS problems should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.